Here at the Giver Marketing Network, we don't leave you drifting out in space. We connect you to a coach who will help you build and grow your marketing business. Our process acts as a guide on how to connect with other businesses, maintain good relations, and establish a presence on the Giver Marketing Network. Each member within this collaborative group will have the opportunity to leverage your talent and influence, a true network effect. If you are looking to collaborate on more projects, welcome to the Giver Marketing Network, the most trusted and highest rated collective of specialists on the planet. Here we have a group of like-minded professionals who focus on making valuable introductions and helping each other grow by teaming up. Imagine Upwork meets a network and a coach. The talent collectively includes services like visibility and SEO, creating logos, designing websites, managing social media, outreach messaging, visual storytelling, and much more. Think of what you could do with laser-focused allies strengthening your business while offering your talents to the entire network. Click near this video for more information.
Hello. We're so excited. This is the Giver Marketing Tuesday marketing broadcast. And oh my goodness, we're going to have so much fun. We've got Jennifer in the house. Woot, woot.
Thank you. I'm glad to be back.
Oh, and big shout out to all our fans. Giver Marketing Network group is tuning in. We've got Kingdom Warriors. We've got, oh my goodness, the Prepared group. We have Selling with Dignity. Oh, yes, I can. We've got all sorts of crazy people watching the show. And I'm excited because Jennifer has some wonderful things to share. Jennifer, you've been doing marketing for a while, haven't you?
Yes, I have. So I had always had this dream that I was going to work from home, live in a big farmhouse filled with kids, and focus on writing and research. And everyone told me it was crazy. This was before the internet. So I guess at that point it was a little crazy, and they told me it was impossible. So at some point in my early 30s, I finally discovered freelancing. And I never knew that existed. As when I found something looking for a ghostwriter, which I had to look up what that was. But suddenly that door of, yes, you can design your own job, your own life, opened, and all these things that I wanted to do weren't crazy after all.